Hi guys, today we are gonna make a craft actually. It is called a piggy bank jar. It's really simple to make. Me and my family, we looked at some restaurants that were for on sale and we want to save up to get a restaurant. So this is why we said this is why it says restaurant. So we are gonna make this today. It's really simple to make, so let's go. So first you need this jar. It's way bigger because I couldn't find any other jars that are the same size or whatever. So first then you need to cut it. Okay, so we have our paper and then we need some tape. Okay, here's our tape. And then, so first we're gonna measure it. So we're just gonna put it through here, wrap it around, make sure it's really tight, and just do this. So what's best for me is I like to lay it down and then make sure that it's really good and tight. And why we want to tape it first is because we don't want to like write it and then it's on the cut line, or we need to put something there. And we got that, so let's grab our scissors and we're just gonna cut it. There we go. And then put our tape on here. And then here we go, that's good. And then we need a pen. So here's our pen. And then whatever you want to write, I will write restaurant. Here we go, that's restaurant. And then as you can see, I did little scribbles right here just to make it cute. So I'm going to do that too. There we go. So there's the scribbles, and now we decorate. First, we need our markers. So the two colors that are best for me are this purple color. It's a light purple, and then this teal color. These two colors go great together, so I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, I'm done decorating. You can see I decorated this with the two colors, and it looks really cute actually. And I think we're done, guys. It looks really cute. You can do your own design. You don't have to do the same colors as me, but I mean, it's good, but we forgot one thing. We need to put some money in it. So I got some dollar bills. Let's put it in there since it is called a piggy bank jar. And then you can save up for whatever you want to save up or whatever you wrote on your jar. Thanks for watching. Bye.